Hi my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we want to talk about this massive gift from Davido to the children. This is so massive. Yeah, like we all saw, it happened. Davido bought two SUVs for two of his daughters, which is Imade and Hailey. This is so massive, guys. Like, this is so massive. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. I'm so happy seeing this kind of thing. When they say money na water, Davido money na what 20 billion for your account to or more money na really water. Once again, congratulations to Imade and Hailey. And as you type congratulations, you're typing congratulations in comment section. Your own joy will soon come. Your own congratulations, people will soon congratulate you. So type your congratulations in the comment section. And I've seen comments like Davido doesn't need to buy cars for these children. They are still children. And I was like, this is his money, okay? Like, he can do whatever he want to do. He can buy anything he want to buy for the children. But they were like, these children are still small. They don't need this at this age. They are supposed to be in school, trying to, do something for themselves. In the future, they will chase their career and all that all this kind of gifts can come later, not now. But to me, it is not bad, because this is their father. So whatever he feels like he wants to give to the children, he can give to them. So I don't say anything. So what do you think about this? What do you think about it? Do you think that Davido is doing too much? Do you think that he's doing his fatherly role very well, or do you think that he's doing too much? Tell me your thoughts in the comment section. I'll allow you to watch the rest of the video and see the rest of the picture. Like, guys, this is so massive. I won't lie, this is so massive. More when they say money is good, money is really good. Money is good, but God will help us so that we too we can see our own money to buy our own car. So now I want you to tell me your thoughts in the comment section, and also type your congratulations in the comment section. Guys, I will see you on my next one, where I allow you to watch the rest of the video and see the rest of the pictures. Bye for now.